Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Malaysia. This is my beauty channel, and this is my beauty channel. So yeah, today I'm gonna be reviewing some Boxy charms. This is about my 5th box, I think, 4th box. I haven't reviewed all the other ones. This is just an overall review of my experience during the 6-month subscription. I still have 2 more boxes to go, but this is just my overall experience so far, what the Boxy charm box is. And of course I'm gonna be reviewing, of course I'm gonna be mainly reviewing the June box, because it is June, because that's the box that goes with this month.
Psych! Bitch would have thought. Took like 2 months to finish procrastinating with editing this.
And I'm gonna be doing an eye look with the eyeshadow that came with it, because I think the colors are really cool and tropical and just perfect for the summer. So if you guys are wondering why right here is a little bit lighter, I already put my eye primer on because I'm ready to beat my face. But before I beat my face, we're gonna review this box.
Cause it feels so empty without me.
So this is the box right here. I already opened it. The first thing I noticed in the box is that it came with 3 brushes. 3 pink brushes.
Now I done had enough with these brushes.
Like, I got enough brushes. God damn, how many brushes do you think I need? It's like every box has a brush, and me personally, I ordered like a whole brush set from Amazon that has like every brush you need in life. So all the other brushes that's being sent to me from Boxy Charm, it's like, yeah, they're nice, they're cute, they're good to put on your vanity, but I really don't need them. And these brushes are worth $42 apparently. What am I gonna do with these?
I don't know. I don't even freaking contour.
But the reason why I got the box is because you're getting more than what you're paying for. I got the 6-month subscription. I think it was $200 for 6 boxes, and each box is like over $100. Hold on, let me blow my nose. The thing that I hate though, you know, I was expecting like really nice, like high price things that I want, like Morley eyeshadow palettes, primer, concealer that fits my face, foundation that fits my face, like Fenty stuff. I don't know. Like, I'm sure that they will be very valuable to me when I do contour. It's just like the things that are the most expensive are like the smallest things that you'd never use, but it's nice that you're getting like something really expensive that you wouldn't normally buy when you go to the store. Something that I really enjoyed from a previous Boxy Charm box, it was like some acne treatment thing. It was like a face mask thing, and it was like worth, I think, like $60, and it was so small. It made me feel so luxurious and rich that I had like such a small bottle worth $60. I was like, this bottle better make my face freaking flawless. But yeah, these are really nice brushes. I just am tired of getting brushes that are worth like half the box, like a good percentage of the box, when I already have enough. It's really saddening. Don't mind the lawnmower in the background. Like, honestly, I'm so done. Like, this lawnmower woke me up at freaking 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 5:41 p.m. What are you doing? What are you mowing? He needs to shut the f up. Another thing that was in the box was this eyeliner pencil. It's from Tante Jaune. It's from Jaune Bleu. I don't know. It's just a regular eyeliner pencil that's blue, I guess. Yeah, it's dark blue eyeliner pencil. And this eyeliner pencil was worth $5. Another thing that was in the box was this. It's a fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. Oh, okay. I'm over here like tighten and smooth. What? Like, isn't lotion supposed to moisturize? And then I redecide. Brazilian bum cream. I'm over here moisturizing my hands with this earlier, not realizing that this is supposed to tighten my ass. I'm not using this. I do not need this. But I will be giving this away. I guess I'll be giving this away to an ass in need. And this ass cream, oh my god, I can't believe they gave me some butt enhancing shit, is worth $10. That's surprising. I honestly thought this would be expensive. Another thing I got was these lashes, and I'm so excited because I need me some good, nice, expensive lashes, and a bitch was not about to was not about to go and get some nice, you know. A bitch had to save money, so a bitch was dreaming. She was dreaming, dream. A bitch was not about to go purchase expensive lashes right now because she's got tuition to pay for. These lashes are worth $28. They're 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk. Oh yes! This is why I purchased Boxy Charm. I'm so excited to use these, and I might just be using these for my makeup look later on in the video. Another thing that was in the box was this Ofra lipstick. It's long-lasting liquid lipstick in like a nude color. It's pretty nice. And I love me some matte. It says that the lipstick is worth $21. Okay, this must be a really nice long-lasting liquid lipstick. No matter if I do. The last thing, my favorite thing of all, because we all know I love me some eyeshadow. There's an Allmore Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Sorry if I butchered the name. I really don't know how to pronounce it. Almar, possibly. And this is the inside of it. Very tasty. Very tropical vibes. I cannot wait to do like a tropical look. And this eyeshadow palette is worth $28. So yeah, that's everything I got in the Boxy Charm box for June. Now I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look and giving my last opinions of Boxy Charm all together as a box.
Okay, so right now I'm going to put on the green shimmery color and the crease and just blend that out. Yo, for some reason my voice sounds way more deeper than it does on the mic. And then I'm gonna use some of the dark navy blue shimmery shade and kind of blend that in a little bit over the shimmery green. Yo, my voice sounds mad fucking diesel. I don't know what's going on with this mic. I just got this Blue Yeti mic, so someone please comment down below if you have any advice.
Oh, I know how to feel. I know that love exists. It's so sweet, but the fish is burning.
Now I'm going to use my light concealer to create a small little crease. Now I'm going to be taking the yellowish color and packing it onto the cut crease.
Just give it a chance. Every bro in the building with his back to the wall. Not for me, be discreet. I should try not to yawn. I shut him down like a sniper on call. Oh, I know how to feel. I know that love exists. It's so sweet.
After realizing that the brown didn't show up much on my skin, I added a little bit of black from another palette to complete the look.
Oh my god. I put nail glue on my eye! Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Shit, fuck, damn. Shit, holy shit. Oh my god, no, I'm so sorry, face, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Ow! Ow, that hurts. One of my eyelashes came off. Great.
My boy, don't love me like
My god, the song is so good. I love me some Billie Eilish. Ooh, I feel a bit better.
sitting not alone, not full of rum.
need a girl like you, yeah. There's oceans, I'm scared. Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with a cold evening. Let a couple years water down how I'm feeling about you.
Oh, I sprayed my phone. Shit. Whew. And this is the look. Whew, I don't know what to call this look. It looks like a mermaid from the top. I think this is kind of like throwing off, so let me just take that out real quick. I tried using a lipstick for the eye look to, you know, use as many things as I can from the box, but I'm just not liking how this looks without a lip liner, so I'm about to take it off. When in doubt, lip gloss it out. Yeah, it seems like I misplaced my lip gloss, so when in doubt, lip balm it out. So yeah, this is the final look. I think it looks very rainforesty, very tropical. Just as a palette looks. In my opinion of the boxes, do I think it's worth the money? It depends what subscription you get, but my experience with this box was really fun. I got some pretty good things. There was only one time I didn't get at least one good thing for the box. It wasn't like there wasn't one good thing, it was just like there was nothing that really popped at me. I hope you guys enjoyed a review of what I think of the box. Let me know if you guys also get Boxy Charm, or if you guys subscribe to any other makeup or fun subscription boxes you think I should try. I actually want to like experiment with a new subscription box now that I'm like about to end my Boxy Charm trial. So let me know down below what subscription boxes you guys prefer. I've heard of FabFitFun. I was thinking about trying that, but that's morely like seasonally. I like to get a little gift in the mail every month, so let me know what y'all think. Let me know your experiences. If you guys haven't already, check out my main channel, which is Melee Cray Cray. If you guys don't know, I have another channel where I upload weekly, if not twice a week. So if you like my vibes, then just take your ass over to that channel, which will be linked down below, of course, and I will be putting an eye right here so you guys can click on that. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.
Now this looks like a